I needed to finish up that floor, and I thought it would be a great DIY project for someone else building a van. Hey guys, today is a project day. I just got finished with a run, and since we've been on the van, we have had some things that we have needed to finish up, touch up, and really do some detail work on. And our bathroom situation in the van is functional and workable, but what we want to do is to create a base where the water pan sits in, and so when we take a shower and where the water misses the actual water pan, what I want to do is seal that whole interior floor with some rubber matting, and then I'm also going to put some Eternal Bond tape on it to seal that up, and I will show you what it currently looks like. You can see that we are at a campsite in Colorado. Actually, I've pulled out the toilet, and there's the urine tank, just FYI. On the actual shower floor, we have created a teak shower pan, just like we had in our previous van. We cut the edge so it fits in the shape of the shower room itself. We attached on there the hookups or the metal pieces for the composting toilet. So when that's in place, then the toilet actually connects and hooks into here when that's sitting on the floor. This is the actual water pan, and we are modifying that and have modified that to fit in that location. We used an oil pan just like we did in the last van. We cut the corner out. I need to invert that and JB weld that over, so that seals that up to collect the water. And then here is the actual bathroom itself with all the 80/20 framing in there. So what I'm currently using is just some what am I trying to say, cabinet floor matting. You can buy it for your cabinets to prevent things from slipping and sliding. I've sealed that all off, used 2 rolls of it. I've taped the Eternal Bond, taped the edges here. I need to finish taping up there and then adding tape to the corner and finalizing the tape on the edges. And that'll seal up that entire area. And so if water does get in it, it then actually just trickles out the back of the van, which is no big deal because that's just the gray water. So I am finishing the detail work on that for today, and I'll show you what that is looking like. So now I have all the tape cut and all the edges sealed, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is all sealed in with that very strong sticky tape. I have all the edges done. And so that holds this cabinet rubber fabric in, and that way we don't have to glue or stick to the original floor like we had done in the past, because our plan is to remove all this when we are finished, and then the van is all clean and we don't have all the sticky goo on the bottom. And so that is the rubber matting. Now I will get back to putting in the toilet and the shower pan and the shower flooring, and I'll show you what that looks like once that is in place. that is it. The floor is all sealed. The shower pan is in. The toilet is in. The actual floor of the shower is in, and the pan is in, and everything is sealed up, and so that'll keep the water from running that direction and then staying in the pan, or if it doesn't stay in the pan, it'll run out the exterior here. So that is it for today's video. I needed to finish up that floor, and I thought it would be a great DIY project for someone else building a van. So we will see you tomorrow on the next video.